Wow, this is going to be huge, and this is definitely going to help Teona Classic. Now, before the end of the year, we have almost 6 months and 1 week before the end of this year. Now, Teona Classic developers have actually come out to say that Teona Classic burning is going to surprise a lot of people. Now, I believe they might have something they are planning towards destroying Teona Classic coin, because the way it is going right now, they know Teona Classic need over 30 to 50 years before they can achieve what they really want. So people cannot be waiting up to that time. So they need to do something. I believe that they are already planning something different. So they've come out to say that even before the end of this year, that the amount of coins Teona Classic might be burning will shock a lot of people. Now, the question is, are we expecting over 1 trillion burning, or are we expecting Teona Classic burning half of its supply, which is about almost 2.8 trillion? So what is that surprise we are really waiting for? Well, for we Teona Classic holders community, we are really waiting for that surprise. We want to see Teona Classic hit. We want to see Teona Classic pump. We want to make money. We want to make profits, because we believe on Teona Classic, and that is why we keep on holding this coin. And of course, for us, we keep on doing videos about Teona Classic, just to make sure that this coin keep going, this coin keep getting more community, keep improving every day. Okay, if we don't have trust on Teona Classic, I don't think a lot of people must have pulled out. I mean, they call over $500 million. People money. I mean, people putting in over 500 million. So you should know that these people really trust Teona Classic LUNC. These people have strong faith on Teona Classic coin. That is why they are really supporting this coin. So for me, I believe that yes, if they can give us a mega burning, because the supply, if the supply reduces, it will help pump the coin. Okay, so many coins have. Okay, take a look at Bitcoin. Take a look at BNB. Take a look at the amount of supply they have. Okay, so Cardano, if LUNC can just have, even though it's 100 billion coins, this is going to be amazing for Teona Classic. They are going to benefit a lot if Teona Classic just have only 100 billion supply of LUNC. Don't be surprised. I don't want to mention, I don't want to calculate how much your coins will be worth, how much your investment will be worth, because definitely it's going to worth a lot of money. It's going to worth a lot. I mean, a whole lot of money. Okay, so for me, Teona Classic is one of the coins that I believe they should focus more on burning. That is number one. They have a lot of listening. They should focus more on burning. So let's wait to see what the developers have for us, and let's wait to see how many coins of LUNC can be destroyed before the end of the year. As you're waiting, remember this on the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.